Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel Arinda. We are again in Powerscourt Garden and Estate. I was here on Monday because Monday was reopening. Today it's Wednesday, but today it's amazing weather and I decided to just walk around and show you everything around with the blue sky and sun. It's absolutely stunning and I'm just enjoying every second, and actually I think I can finally take the photo of the statue on the front gate to the garden, because last time I tried but it was too dark. Yeah, I will do this right now. Enjoy walk and this absolutely stunning landscape with me in Powerscourt Estate and Garden. I'm going to Japanese garden now. On Monday it was great, but it was cloudy and I want to see the all colors with the full super sun and blue sky. For sure will be amazing, and smell will be amazing because everything have flowers and looks so stunning. Powerscourt Garden and Estate is my favorite, and I started visiting this very often from I think November. But November is not the time like a spring and summer when everything have flowers and smell and color. Of course the late autumns have amazing colors of the leaves. Trees have a red, brown, all reddish and yellowish colors, and everything looks so good. But this fresh green, full of flower, spring boost, it's absolutely stunning. And this place, I'm not surprising, it's by National Geographic called the most beautiful garden in the world, and it's beautiful. Every corner looks so good, even like small pieces, but somebody who designed this place think about all details really well. done, we're going somewhere else. We will see how this day will look like and how many places we will visit in one beautiful sunny day in Ireland. I'm in Wicklow Marina, Wicklow Port, and it's Black Castle on my back. Very Irish green landscapes and ruin of the castle. I love it. I'm so excited because I found the entrance to the Silver Strand Beach in County Wicklow, and I drive around many times and I never saw just basic car park, but accidentally I found a way because it's no car park here. You just need to leave car on the street and you need to walk. You have a so beautiful magical green walk, and hopefully in a few minutes time I show you Silver Strand Beach. I saw this beach from far and it looks super spectacular. I'm so excited, can't wait to show you and can't wait to see myself. That was Silver Strand. Let me know what you think about this. The beach was spectacular. Actually, I feel like on Fuerteventura. It's one beach beside Holy Mountain Tindaya Beach, and looks quite similar, and it's amazing. Beautiful white sand. Of course, I have nothing to just spend day on the beach. I have no towel, no flip-flop, nothing. Why I don't want to stay longer, but I just walk around to show you place. Mark this on my map, and definitely I will be here very often. On the end of this day, how you can see, was really lots very interesting thing. Powerscourt, Silver Strand, driving around really a lot. Now I'm in Tesco to do some quick shopping. I just bought some coleslaw for my dinner, and also I bought some croissant for my breakfast tomorrow. And another thing what I bought is a power bank. Power bank, I don't know the brand, Mulvit, it's for something, but you can actually recharge your phone 4 times. I need it because today during the photo shooting and video and Instagram and stuff like that, my battery is gone and I have no power bank with me. I think I have it somewhere, but it was easier to buy a new one than looking for my old one. I have a new one. I'm really excited. Hopefully it will be really good. I can't wait to charge and start using because it's quite important to have energy. Unfortunately now the power banks and cables and Wi-Fi is very important. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching me today. That was a really good day. I'm tired. It's 6 o'clock already. It's time to eat something, do my exercise, do some work on the YouTube and going to bed. I'm so exciting and full of energy because of the Silver Strand Beach. Maybe tomorrow, if weather will be like today, I will go there for all day, but fully prepared for the beach with the food, with the scarves, with the drinks, and I will be sitting and enjoying time there because it was amazing. Thank you very much one more time. If you want to see more photos and videos from today, you are more than welcome on my Instagram, Daniel R in Dublin, also on my Facebook, Daniel R in Dublin. You can check these 2 things and you can find more and more newses, because on Insta story you can find more information than just only on the vlog. Also when I put a premiere for the vlog, sometimes it's 4 or 5 days, and on Instagram you can see everything straight away. You can subscribe, you can follow me, you can leave the comment. Thank you very much. Have a great day.